People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about the incident that happened surrounding the social media figure known as Pablo Don music. Right now, this is very, very important what I'm about to say. Every minute, come like every other day, me have to do something talking about this video light obsession with the man them having in Jamaica. See, people don't even realize this video light thing is not only sending man go down at a horizon and down a GP, but it's also sending man down a dove cut. See, people, Pablo Don, hours before him lose him life. This is what he posted on social media. I'm going to show you the video, and I'm going to take out the music, right, because I don't want the video to get copyright, right. But the song, literally hours before him dead, he's standing by his car, flossing some money, and he's playing a song called "You Kill the Man, Make Him Go and Left Him Daughter." And hours later, it happened to him. Now I'm going to play the video, then I'm going to get back to you with what the people from the community are telling me surrounding this individual, Pablo Don. His real name is Paul. So people, check out the video. So that is what he posted hours before losing his life. As a matter of fact, if you go on Pablo Don music, the what you call them, snaps, the temporary videos, they're still up on his page. That's how recent it was. Right. Now, people, so far I've been hearing that this youth him actually come from Mobay. Right, so apparently he come from Flankers and he come a town. Now he lost his life over there near the Washington Garden area. Now apparently his baby mother live in Washington Garden, but him always down there and I ends out. Now a lot of people have been reaching out to me from the community. Some people have said them hear about 10 shot fire. Right. Now so far everybody is saying the same thing. When you see something like this happen and 4 or 5 different people link you who don't know each other and them all say the same thing, then you start to get a pattern. People are saying, them don't know of him as the man who really make him money legitimately, right? A couple of people said to me that he's actually a scammer, right? However, they're saying them don't know of him having no enemy and mix up in a badness. This is what they're saying to me, right? Everybody's been saying that part, him really mix up in a badness part, right? However, they don't know once a name get called on scamming, as Teddy Buckshot said in the shutters, I can't anybody touch him, right? But the part that keep coming over and over is the fact that he is well known for flossing excess amount of money around the youth them around Washington Garden. People of Jamaica, listen to me. As sooner or later, people have to start learning from other people's mistake. I don't know how much man I have to end up doing a dove cut before people start learning. Now, I don't know if down the road we're going to hear one motive say, listen, at this thing go down and that's why I'm losing life. But I'm telling you what the people might tell me, say, one thing them know about him and one thing them always warn him against is the fact that him come on the block, right, and he obviously drives a nice car, he wears a lot of luxury clothes and everything, right, and he's flashing large amount of cash. People have been telling me that, listen, them always tell him, say, listen, them youth around here, so I'm going to name your food, right. Now I don't know if that is the reason why I'm end up losing life, but I want to touch on that. People of Jamaica, make we talk now. Yes, it is normal for people to like nice things. There's nothing wrong with liking nice things and wanting to own nice things. But common sense have to prevail. You can't depend on a certain block, ends out in a $20 million car and a flash a bag of US dollars. That is a recipe for disaster. I don't know what it is about the man them. But when they make money, they have this extraordinary drive for just continue to flash it in front of people who now have none. That is a recipe for disaster. How many times do I have to say it? You have to live in the world that exists and not the one you think exists or the one you want to exist. You must be realistic, right? You might think so, oh well, me not trouble nobody. Me not do nobody none. Me not fight against nobody. Me and no man at war. So me can pull up on a block like Washington Garden, or run a jungle, or run a Rima, or run a back to. And just pose up in my Benz and a flash a bag of money every day in front of them with your eyes. Right? Me not do nobody nothing, so nobody not gonna do me nothing. People, that's not how it works. That is not how it works. Right? Especially when you're not from a field. It's not like say you own Lasco or you own Digicel, right? The way how you make your money is already asking for problem, because one thing we know with fast money, it come fast, right, and it's actually leave you even faster. Right? Now this man is a father, right, and when I went on his social media page, most I post them with his daughter, right? Now that child is now fatherless. Again, one of the last things Jamaica need right now is more fatherless pitney. We already have too much of them, right? It's bad enough when the father even alive, right? And the pitney basically fatherless, much less when the father them gone, right? Now hopefully I'm wishing for the best here. History said this doesn't normally happen, but I'm wishing for the best here, that this man actually have something in a writing, put on same daughter can grow up and have a good life, and can at least enjoy some of these riches that daddy will flash, right? But you see this video light thing, no found out end up doing a dove cut cause, right? Me don't know where this drive come from. I don't know if maybe it's a personality thing. Maybe it's just some people just have it inbuilt in their personality, right? But when you hear me talk about video light, and the man them obsessed with the video light, right? Even though the man them see what the video light lead to, they can't help themselves. They cannot help themselves. It doesn't even make sense. This brother, right here, so the one in drop out, Pablo, his real name is Paul, right? This is a man who would go in a machine and draw money and then flash it. People of Jamaica, what is the motivation for doing things like this? Again, me understand. I'm not saying people don't have nice things. Don't misinterpret me. Just try to understand how somebody can grow up in our country, a society as violent as ours, where it not cause nothing at all if you lose their life and put themselves out there like this. And it's not like same like roll on with bodyguard. That's another thing. The man them who live them fast lifestyle, right? The man them who make them millions upon millions of dollars. Tell me something. Since you decide say a flash and I go flash it, I'm no business boner man. Me I show me US and me I show me this and me I show me location, I'm a business boner man. Tell me something. How will you justify spending $2,000, I'm not talking about US now, which is over 200,000, nearly 300,000 Jamaican dollar, right? Explain to me how you justify spending that kind of money, right, on a Louis Vuitton messenger bag, right? But you won't spend 100,000 on some serious security. People of Jamaica will never realize that the man them who live them lifestyle, the money would spend 500, 600,000 Jamaican dollars on a shoes or some clothes, but them won't spend 100,000 to get some serious security. Wash them head back. I don't understand it. This whole lifestyle is confusing to me. I mean, obviously because I don't live it, so I guess I can't relate. But I'm just trying to think from the perspective of me living me ends off in a place like Washington Garden, right? Me ends off on the block, right? A block where most man don't have $10,000 in their bank account, right? And me round there in my Benz, how much US dollar dash on the ground, I live the most life, and me not have permanent full-time security. What happened? Let me tell you what happened. See, the man them get delusional. Them start to believe the whole yeah my boss, yeah my done. You see, when man come around and I tell you about yeah my boss, yeah my done, enough people get caught up in that. And them think say, oh yeah man, them man I rate me man. Let me tell you something, people. You see the man them who tell you say yeah them done, yeah them boss, yeah them general, and you buy them a champagne one time. It's the first time you tell him no. The first time you tell him no, you end up doing a dope cut. You can buy him NSC 100 times straight. You see the 101st time, him come to you and him say, yo, buy the thing off him now. You say, boy, you know, say, we don't have the cash from right now, you have to go link back later. Him gonna load up him machine. Him gonna load up him Ruger. I'm gonna load up in Smith and Wesson to come for you. Right? Because there is this attitude of entitlement. I've said it all the time. All of them bad man places I wanna love to talk about. No for the man them more feminine than the woman them. They're more beggy and more entitled to your things. Them feel more entitled to your things than even your own woman. You don't take nothing to lose a life in Jamaica. And this is Video Light. He gave away his location. He gave away his location and the fact that he have a bag of money upon him. Right? Now, as I said, I don't know if down the road we're going to hear one separate motive. But me talk about a bigger message. Forget about the actual case, because you will notice I use a lot of these cases and events to talk about a bigger picture. I'm talking about the bigger picture of this showing off what you have on social media and now nobody watch your head back. Right? People, it's suicide. I'm sorry. You will lose a life. You have to be realistic. Stop going like saying nobody upon them black a business about you. They don't. They don't. The same man we just give 5 grand, you come back for the next day. A matter of fact, you will give him 5 grand and him thinks so him entitled for 10 and come back for you. Right? People, they can't flash KFC in front of certain dogs. He will run in for you and he will bite you up. Right? As I said, I'm talking about the bigger picture here. I don't know exactly what caused this man to lose his life, but I'm talking to Jamaica right now. This showing money on camera with the location and all them things, this it might seem fun in the moment, but one day your luck might run out. It might run out. And when it run out, some little pitney are going to end up without a daddy. And that is going to be disastrous. Right? Because you can't replace your daddy. People of Jamaica, when you hear me talk about this Video Light thing, understand it's because I know it have consequences. It have consequences, and right here, this is the worst case scenario. This is the worst case scenario of this Video Light culture. If you make fast money, if you make money when I know what's the worst thing? The people them in Jamaica, right, who make legit money and way more money than these, the man them will live them fast lifestyle, them not post it. Them not post no thousands of US children on the ground. Right? And the man them where, listen, as I said, it doesn't make sense to me. People just be careful, right? And understand enough people have little attachments to these blocks and, you like the corner and love the ends. But sooner or later you have to go grow up. Sooner or later you have to go grow up and realize that the streets don't care about you. The block where you love doesn't care about you. The ends where you love doesn't love you. It doesn't. The man them when you think say yeah bro, the man that load up the machine and a plan for you. Right? As simple as that. Very unlikely is a stranger to the stream. Very unlikely, because you know what? If him and a stranger they have a disagreement and things get heated, him will probably roll on this man for watching. Right? The fact that them catch him so he's like this off guard, him probably don't even know where this come from. People of Jamaica, just be wise. Learn from other people's mistake. Learn from other people's mistake. Right? I don't know how many more of these videos I'm going to have to do. This Video Light Peggy culture, I don't know. Was all time people say, who can hear will feel, but I'm sure more details are going to probably come out about this. Right? Oh, and by the way, people, if you want to see the video is on politrickswatch.com. Again, similar story. Man lose them life. People are butter throw them in the back of police one. Hey, same story, different day. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.